Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're gonna playing Rip Tower. So anyways guys, welcome to my video. So channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, so we're going to play the game that is called the Rip Tower guys. So anyways, we're going to just beat that game in the world. So anyways, okay, let's come in another I think guys. Right guys, so anyways, we're going to beat that game guys. So this the problem right now. So we're going to win this game guys, right guys? So anyways guys, we're going to just jump like this guys. I'm going to jump like this before I go to just do like that, okay? So anyways, we're going to beat that game. So anyways, this is a great tower guys. So anyways guys, I'm gonna be a pro guys. I'm gonna become a pro again. So anyways guys, we're going to just jump higher instead of this. So anyways guys, if I love that, and then I'm going to end. If I love that, the video ends guys. Let me know in the comments section. So anyways guys, we'll start. Okay. Oh no. Okay, we're almost there guys. We're almost there. Okay guys, so anyways, do not just fall, okay? Do not fall. If I don't gotta get fall. So I'm going to become a pro guys. I will become a pro. So otherwise we're not no bad. We're going to just jump our tickets guys. Come on, just jump. Just jump again. Jump! Oh 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 no. No. Okay guys, so be careful guys. No, do not fall. Okay, do not fall. Oh my god, girl. Or I'll just show you instead, guys. Let me know in the comments, guys. Oh my god, I'm almost winning, guys. We're almost winning. Ouch. Oh my balls. Ouch. Oh, this annoying girl. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We're almost there, guys. Come on, guys. Oh, okay, guys. So, otherwise, guys, we're going to choose something else. Anyways, guys. Okay, I'm going to choose something else, guys. And do not fall. Do not try not to fall. Try not to fall, guys. Like this. Okay. So I'm going to climb the ladder and also this if I want to. Okay. So we're going to play the game. That is just show this annoying red tower. Please, mom, my dad. Oh my god, my lady. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ouch! Mama! No! Be careful, guys. Be careful. Oh no, 7-Eleven. Oh, 7-Eleven. Bro, stop making me this. Ooh. Do not fall. Do not fall on hard mode. This on hard mode. Big. Ding 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 ding. Aba. Abaho. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, almost there guys. We're almost there. With on easy mode. On hard mode. This on hard mode guys. I like on hard mode. And also I like easy, right? It's easy, right? Huge. No! Ah, no! No, I'm going to lose my time. What the? Guys, what the heck happened? This player who's trying to... Ah! Look at you, at earning na karan. Okay guys, so I'm going to continue easy game. This is easy, right? Come on, it's not on easy. This is easy, right? No! You know what? How? It's so hard. Stop Shampoo Girl gonna do. Shampoo Girl. Look at you. Look at her. Guys, look at her. She's name is Jika, and she's name is. Oh no, it's Twilight. Oh no, I love you. You're not her. I love you. You like it? Okay, like it. And also this shampoo girl. Hey, you look like this. Your name is Pete Face. I don't know. You look like an angel thing, but I need to kiss you. Okay. What? How? How guys? How guys? Guys, I need to troll people. Yes, I like this game. Okay, bye. Let's troll it. It's okay. Wow, wow, wow. We're almost there. Okay. Wait a second. We're almost there, guys, right? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost. No, no, what? 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 Okay, I do not fall. Guys, I need to win, guys. I need to win this game. I need to win this game. Oh my god, it's probably. Woo! Woo! What's that? What are you doing, huh? Trolling? You're trolling me. You're trolling people, huh? Or I will fart your face. Mark my words, I guess. Mark my words, I guess. Let me uncome sketch. Okay. Come on. What's the thing now? Oh! No! Bro, stop lagging. If I lag, then I'm going to lose it. I will lose my mind. What's in the mind? In the mind. Stop! Right there. Speech. Down again. I don't know what speech. Oh my god, I'm almost there, I'm almost there. I need to just end of the game. I need to end of the game, guys. Come on, guys. Almost there. I think it's up. Yeah, almost up. I'm almost now. For the final level. What level am I? What about again? Let me not come. Wow, we're almost there. No, no. Hey, what are you doing? Dummy? Okay. Troll people, right? Come on, guys. We're going to troll people. Let's troll player, okay? Let's go. And come on, I need to troll you. Hello, beautiful girl. Oh, this is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful. Come on, baby. Why? This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful. Oh my god, come on. You're almost there, guys. Come on, you're almost there. You're almost there, my beautiful girl. This one is the girl who's gonna win. We're going to win the city of girl. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. Hey, this is my beautiful girl. Hey, don't you dare. Don't you dare ever do this afternoon. My baby. This is my beautiful girl. 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 No! Come on, guys. Come on. This is my beautiful girl. This is my beautiful. Oh. Yes, you know what? I'm going to end. So, anyways, guys, I like this game, but anyways, I want to beat something else. So, anyways, guys.